Well, folks, it's time to go feed the animals, and I'm taking the camera out with me because I expect we might find a little something from Goosey, our most friendly of rabbits, and I'm really hoping we do. Let's see what happens here. No, I don't see any little gifts in here yet. What's taking you, Goosey? You're still friendly though, aren't you? Wow, you ever seen such a friendly little rabbit? Oh, you're out of water. Oh, you need water, don't you? Okay, well, I'll help you right on out. I sure will. I'm gonna put you people down for a second, so I can take care of Goosey here. And it looks like Ooshie is getting low on water too. But looky in there, little bunnies hopping around. Look at that. Well, isn't that just the cutest thing you ever saw? Oh, we could have some bunny McNuggets. Oh, you don't like that talk? Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Let me take care of these girls, and looks like maybe Butch needs a little bit of some attention too. So I'll get back to you soon. Hey everyone, how y'all doing? So I was gonna give you some more footage of me feeding livestock and stuff, but I start feeding the animals, looking at the little bunnies and stuff. I just completely lose track. I do that all the time. I get so involved with what I'm doing that I forget I'm supposed to be making videos too. So, yeah, you're not gonna get that. Instead, you're gonna get to watch me put up some of my laundry. And that's just about as exciting as it gets. Oh boy, I bet you people are on the edge of your seats. Yeah, I can't say as I blame you. I can't do this sitting down. That's how exciting it is. It's supposed to rain today, but I'm so behind on laundry, I gotta take a shot at it. See that? That's an old rag. Yeah, that's how poor I am. That's my best shirt right there. I keep what we call dirt rags or grease rags. I keep them around because you know it beats the heck out of having your good rags, or your good cloths and stuff all soiled up. Once they get dirty and stained really super bad, I usually throw them away. But they get the holes in them like that. Some of them get worn out. And I just can't seem to throw them away because they're still clean up alright. Oh boy. See Mrs. Juckleberry's out there. Huh. Looks like she's doing some gardening or something. Flower gardening, or whatever you call that. Yeah, whatever that is she's doing. Out there trying to make her yard look pretty and stuff. That's important. I don't do near enough of that, making things look pretty. I'm terrible about not doing that. So currently I'm working on a little bit more music. I hate to do too much music, drive everybody away from the channel, but a very important occasion coming up, a certain person's birthday. It's somebody that means a whole lot to me, and so I want to tell the whole world, including you people, just how I feel about this person. I'm not supposed to be comical, but you probably will laugh at me. That's alright. I don't mind. I got a real thick skin. Yeah, I do. Yeah. Well, that sun's shining down bright. Oh, if this keeps up, I might get the rest of my laundry done. Boy, that'd be nice, wouldn't it? Oh, yes. I know that I ought to have a different setup talking to you while I'm doing this microphone, and I got it too. I've got it like a separate recorder and that for speech, so I can walk away and keep talking. But you know what? I'm stubborn, and you see, if I was always doing things right when it came to videos, then it'd leave me very little time to do things right on the farm, the homestead, the ranch here. And if I had, there's one about time to get rid of it. I'll put her up and dry her once more since I washed it. But anyway, yeah, if I don't have time to do things right on the homestead, then, well, what's the point? Making videos, just talking to myself anyway, right? Nobody gives a darn tootin'. I know I don't. Waiting for an email response from my friend Gordon. I want to use some of his drone footage in one of the videos that I want to put up for my friend's birthday. I don't want to give you too much heads up on it. I don't want to give it away and spoil the big surprise, but I'm kind of excited, hoping he says, yeah, you can use my drone footage. And I'll say, oh yeah. Because Gordon, man, he does some beautiful drone footage. I love it. He thinks other people better than him, but what's he know? He don't know nothing about art. Because he does a darn good job, a darn tootin' good job with it. And I know all about art because I used to play a musician on the radio. I'm sure the neighbors think I am totally bonkers because they can see me and hear me talking to you. And you know what? Sometimes I think I'm totally bonkers too. Well, anyway, I'm still just starting out my late morning routines. Oh, there's Miss Zuckerberg. She's weed eating over there. That's what she's doing. I think. Or edging. She's edging. Hi, Miss Zuckerberg! Oh, she can't hear me because the neighbor on the other side of her is mowing the yard. Making all kind of racket. Well, that's good. Maybe people aren't hearing me talk to myself to the camera. So, anyway, yeah, that's me starting up another day. If you guys want me to do longer videos, let me know. And maybe, I'll do some more of that, my entire day video montage or something. And if you think I ought to do shorter videos, let me know. A few people already told me I need to just stop doing videos, and I understand that. I understand that totally, because I'll tell you what, I don't think I'd watch my videos. I don't know, but sometimes I do watch a piece here or there just because I get a laugh out of myself, the stupid things I do and say. I must be a big comedian. I'm not trying to be a comedian, I'm just a big comedian. I ought to wear a dunce cap. That's probably about how it is. But anyway, I appreciate the views. Appreciate you watching me. I want to see more of you watching me. So tell your neighbors, tell your friends all about the Buckeye Boys and how wonderful, wonderful the videos are. I mean, you know, make all kind of stuff up. That's the way to do it. We'll do a big membership drive. 'Tis soon, very soon. By the end of the month, I'm planning. I'm working on it really hard. Come up with, I'm trying for 3 music videos dedicated to a person that I care about very, very much. And I hope this person likes it. I hope they do. It don't embarrass them to all get out. But even if it does, it'll be awkward as heck, and that might be fun to watch too, right? I don't know. Anyway, thank y'all. Thank y'all for all your wonderful attentions. And we'll see ya probably tomorrow.